There are many patients who come to see us having lost all their teeth or are going to lose all their teeth. And one of the things they really ask about is something called the All-On-4 concept. And essentially what the All-On-4 concept is a cost-effective way to provide you with a full mouth implant rehabilitation by putting in 4 implants. Most places that you go to will reduce the bone quite extensively. And what you're going to end up getting is what we call prosthetic or artificial gum. So the question I ask you is, what would you want as a patient? Would you want us to remove all of that bone? Would you want us to place just 4 implants? And when I look at the concept about 4 implants, I think to myself, a table has 4 legs. If you were to lose one leg, what would happen to that table? That table would be non-functional, right? So when we do the All-On-4, or as we prefer to call it, the All-On-X, we do it very differently. The first and the most important is that we hardly reduce any bone at all, meaning that we don't take that bone away, you don't have artificial gum, but you have your own gum. Now let me ask you a question. Would you rather have prosthetic gum, or would you rather maintain your own gum? Maintaining your own gum is actually much better for the implant long term. Now the second difference is we place more than 4 implants, and you're probably wondering, do we place 4, 6, 8, 10? We place as many as we need to provide you with a long-term outcome. So having additional implants just in case for the future is always a good thing. The third thing that we have our on-site laboratory. This lab can customize to exactly what you want. Your teeth don't have to look the same as all the other websites. We try to customize the teeth to you, and you have a one-on-one interaction with our laboratory technicians. This allows us to literally do things overnight sometimes. Having the dental laboratory on site allows us to be able to do that. Additional factors that we have is we have some amazing technology where we combine a CT scan, which gives us a 3-dimensional reconstruction of your bone, a face scan, and we scan the inside of your mouth. And we have technology where we combine all of these so that we can provide you accuracy in implant placement, and the precision will impact the final result in terms of longevity. Now the last piece of the puzzle, which I would say is the most important, we have an amazing team that is very highly trained to take care of you. And that plays a very important part in the outcome of your final restoration. I couldn't do this procedure without them. It's not just about going to somebody who's done it, a couple of times. You want to look for somebody who's done it multiple times, who's written the books on it, who teaches this procedure. And we do that. We've published 2 books specifically on this procedure. We've gone around globally teaching this procedure to dentists. And I don't think it's a procedure where you can learn over a weekend and do on a Monday. This requires a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of dedication, a lot of discipline. And ultimately, it's the patient that benefits from all of these things. So I hope I gave you a good overview of how we do the All-On-4 or the All-On-X, you might want to call it, at Anacapa Dental. And we hope to see you soon.